Hi guys, I'm Kanaka and I'm back with another video. From the title, like you can already tell, today's video is going to be this Diwali makeup look. There's nothing Diwali about this, it's just like a festive makeup look and festive season is here. So I thought this would be really helpful for you guys. It's again an easy makeup tutorial, but it's not as easy as a Navratri one. I've gone a little extra in this video, but nonetheless I'm sure you guys will be able to add in your touch to it and make it work for you if you ever happen to try out this makeup look. But before starting with today's video, I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We are so close to reaching to 200 subscribers. I really hope you guys join the family if you haven't already subscribed. Follow me on my Instagram because I have a lot going on there as well. And now let's get started with today's video. So first, obviously, moisturizer. I'm going to link all the products in the description box below so that you can check it out if you want to. Most of my products are like repeated because I'm not a hoarder, so I don't have like 10 products which do the same thing. Like I don't have like 10 moisturizers and 10 foundations and stuff. So mostly what you've been seeing in my videos, the products are like same. It's just that eyeshadows maybe, yeah. After the moisturizer, foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation again, and I'm in the shade 220 something. I'm in the shade 220 basically. So mainly what I do is I apply the majority of foundation just by like dabbing it like that, and then I go with the brush, and just to eliminate the brush strokes I use the beauty sponge. So mostly, I mean, yeah, so I can't do without either one of them. It's high time I clean my makeup brushes because shit, it's been really long since I last washed them. So should always use a damp beauty sponge. Yeah, this one is from Maybelline. Actually I got this one free when I purchased that foundation. Then I'm gonna use the Fit Me concealer. I'm in the shade 20 Sand. Now I'm gonna use my compact from Eyeshadow. I'm in the shade 13 Soft Noga Mist. Now I'm gonna use my Fit Me blush again, same blush I've been using throughout, and this is in the shade Pink 25. Now we move on to the eyebrows. Like I said in my not last but like a recent video of Navratri looks, that I haven't done my eyebrows since a long time now, and after that also I didn't do my eyebrows. So basically these are the same eyebrows that you saw in that video. Only going to do the edge. Actually the thing is that my eyebrows are not twins, obviously. They're not even siblings, they are like cousins. So one is like smoother and the other one is like sharp. It's just been like that since forever. So I get really skeptical. I mean, every time I'm like, now how do I shape these again? So I'm going to leave them at this. I have only combed and like did an edge, and I'm going to leave them because see, you see, this is, I try to make this like sharp since this is sharp, but okay, so I'm going to leave them like this now. Now I'm using the highlighter from Miniso. Now comes the eyeshadow, the main part of this festive look. The look that I have in mind is like a cut crease with a base color obviously, and then two shades but like in transition. So in center there will be one shade and then two same shades on this side in like a transition blended. So for that, in the background, like the base, I'm going to use pink color, not a dark pink or anything, a normal pink color, because the jewelry that I'm gonna wear is pink. So I'm using the Beauty Treats Essential Nudes Eye and Cheek palette. Unfortunately, they have discontinued this particular palette. I am unable to find it anywhere, so I can't link this one for you, but since I'm just using the pink shade from this, literally any pink shade would do. I'm using this shade from this palette. So this is what I've done so far. So without a doubt, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Tropical Carnival eyeshadow palette for this one. We need to do cut crease. So first, I'm going to apply concealer on the eyelids. So now I have put my concealer. I'm going to use the orange shade in the corners, like outside and inside. And in the center, I'm going to use the golden shade. So I'm done doing the orange part, and this is how it looks. Now we are going to move on to the golden part. So this same Beauty Treats eyeshadow palette, and use this nude color in the center, and over that I'm going to put the golden glitter. Now I'm going to use this glitter palette from BB, and I'm going to use the golden shade obviously. I'm going to reduce the cut crease portion in the background. I always do that in the end so that I get an idea of how much do I need to reduce. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and put some mascara. I'm skipping the liner. I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Mascara. Now I'm going to quickly wear my jewelry, do my hairstyle, and then I'm going to wear the lipstick. And now finally let's move on to the lipsticks. So for lipsticks, I'm going to mix two lipsticks, and the first one being Firecracker Red from Maybelline. I have talked about this lipstick in my lipsticks you should have video. I'll link it over here so you can check that out. And I'm just going to dab it on the corners, and then in the center I'm going to do nude, and then I'm going to merge all of it. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys found this helpful and enjoyed watching this video. Please comment down and tell me how you found this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also, I would just like to say that all you guys messaging me personally and DMing me on my Instagram really means the world to me. However, it would also be helpful if you would put like the same exact comments below this video. It really helps my channel. So thank you so much for always commenting and tell me your views about my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to share this video with maximum number of people who will find this helpful. We are so close to reaching 200 subscribers. I really hope we reach there as soon as possible. And follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.